In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pre-fill fields in a DocuSign envelope before sending it. To get started, sign into your DocuSign account and wait for the main dashboard to load. Once you're in, click Start and then choose Send an Envelope. This will open the setup screen where you can prepare your document for signing. Next, upload the document you want to send. You can usually do this by selecting the file from your computer and waiting a moment for it to finish uploading. Make sure you've chosen the correct version of the document before moving forward, since this is the file your recipients will receive. After that, add the recipients and enter their details. This tells DocuSign who needs to receive and sign the envelope. Be careful to place each recipient correctly, because the fields you add later will be assigned based on these roles. Once your recipients are entered, click Next to open the document editor. This is where you'll place all the fields that need to be completed. At the top of the editor, open the recipient drop-down menu. By default, you may see one of the recipients selected here, but for pre-filling information yourself, you'll need to change that selection. From the drop-down menu, select Sender. This is the key step that allows you to add fields that you, as the sender, can complete before the envelope is sent out. It's useful when parts of the document need to be filled in ahead of time, such as dates, reference information, or other prepared content. Now drag the required fields onto the document. Place them carefully in the correct locations so the form stays organized and easy to read. If needed, take a moment to adjust the field placement for better alignment and accuracy. Then, click each field and enter the information you want to pre-fill. As you do this, review everything closely to make sure the content is correct and appears exactly where it should. This is especially important because your recipients will see these completed fields when they open the document. When everything looks good, click Send to send the completed envelope to the recipients. At that point, DocuSign will deliver the document with your pre-filled information already included, allowing the recipients to focus only on the fields that apply to them. And that's how to pre-fill fields in a DocuSign envelope before sending it. Thanks for watching.